is Mimi again.
And this is Hans again.
And this is the second video of the Golden Minecart. And
Yay.
And this week we will tell you all about the contest.
If you don't know the contest that we're saying to you right now.
Okay, just sit down there. Okay, we will announce what is the contest all about. The contest is all about, you will tell us what will be the name of our segments, like the vlogs, the musicals, and the other things. For me, for the vlogs, I would tell you, I would say that we should call our vlog Shut Up and Listen. And you would comment down below what you just tell what the segment, like you will tell here segment vlog, then you will put an exclamation mark. What exclamation mark? You just put a little bit of space and then put a dash and then put what would be the name. And then for next week we will check the comments below, and we will give you a shout out. And yeah, if we pick your chosen. So please comment down below what segment will you pick. I'll tell you what should you put the comments down below. Okay? You put segment vlog slash what's the name that you're thinking of. Okay? Bye! See you next week!
The other segments are vlogs, she said that, gaming, Minecraft, and other games such as Pokemon. If you don't know that, Pokemon is a word of Pokemon. Vanguard, that's our favorite. Yeah. Ta-da.
Vanguard.
If you don't know that, I showed, that was Genesis.
Yeah.
My favorite.
Okay. Then the musicals and the cooking and the funny stuff, and just comment down below.
Yeah.
And challenges, especially challenges. That's my favorite, challenges. Like the Chubby Bunny challenge,
Ice Bucket
challenge, ALS, what else? The Christmas tree challenge, the smoothie challenge, and we want you, for next week we will make a freestyle, and please comment down below some dares and challenges, okay? And then we'll give you some shoutouts.
And some giveaways, I think. Just put your name, address, and contact numbers.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Just put your channel name below, and we'll give you a shoutout.
Yes.
So, please enjoy the contest, and please
good luck.
Give us some really cute and awesome names.
Yeah, our nicknames.
Yeah. Just like Shut Up and Listen, right?
That's a vlog name.
Yeah. And you can copy that if you want, because I really want that name for our vlogs.
Yeah, and some.
And we will just have a meeting with our other people, other group mates. So just see you next week.
Bye.
On Golden Minecart. Bye. Enjoy the contest and good luck.